Hello, my name's Dominic Romero. My partner in Group 9 is Whitney Gagon. We've worked tirelessly over the last few days to try to get this code correct. I'm going to switch over to share my screen. We'll go through the PowerPoint presentation, and then I will actually open the website and show you some functionality. So let me share my screen. So like I said, our group was assigned the University of Utah Athletic Department. So the project purpose is the problem. The University of Utah Athletic Department doesn't have a centralized way to report budgetary information. The solution we chose is creating a database that's hosted on a website that can report all relevant information to the interested parties. So some of the benefits for this website would be you get some internal and external transparency. You give the administrators and board members a place to see how different programs within the athletic department are operating. It's very easy to determine the success and efficiency of athletic programs, and it's a uniform way of reporting budgetary information. So here's our entity relationship diagram. You can see we have the employee, the team, events, venue, athlete, scholarship, equipment. While we didn't get everything built out as far as website functionality, on the back end, the database side was built out. So part of the website, we created some security functions. There's authentication, login. That's where you have to be logged in to actually view the information. There's session management, and then there's sanitation, so cleaning some of our code to limit some PHP injection, or I'm sorry, MySQL injection. So as far as user management goes, you're able to create a new user. We can update a user, delete user. You should be able to edit or update your password. So then for the functionalities under employees, this is a good example of Coach Whittingham. You can add new employees, view employees, edit employees, and delete employees. And also we built out part of the scholarship information. With that, you can add, view, edit, and delete as well. Very simple table layout, basically a scholarship ID that could be tied to an athlete, whether it's an athletic or academic scholarship, the amount of the scholarship, and then this is for what year the scholarship is available. We did build out a transaction function. That's if you need to actually enter transactions. Obviously, in the future, we want to make this more automated by creating a system where it pulls data from various sources and puts it in this information. But for now, it gives us a centralized location to actually put the information in. So with that, part of the functionality that we started to build out, we just weren't able to finish, was the income statement, basically. First of all, we were going to build an income statement that was overall the whole athletic department. Then you could build it out by team individually and see which teams are using what. So that's the end of our presentation. Let me switch over to the website and we'll show you some information. So if you just go to any web browser and you type www.utahmsis2018.com, this will bring you to our website. So with this website, let me just make sure everything's logged out so you can see it. So if you're not a member of the website, you can actually sign up, create a new name. So let's just create one. Let's do Mike Smith, M. Smith. And then the password, we can do my secret. And then if you just hit add user, what this is displaying is actually the hashed value of that website, or I'm sorry, of the password. So if we go to view all users, it's giving me information that says please log in from the top right. So we're unable to see any information. So let me hit login. M. Smith, my secret. So if you see when I logged in here, it brought you to basically the index page or the home page. If you click on the home, it brings you to the home page. Where you saw before, you couldn't see user. Now I can see the user information here. You can see transaction IDs from here. Various transactions, as many as you enter. With that, you have the option to edit the transaction. Just by clicking the number, it brings it here. You can go here. Part of the next step is we're going to build out roles. Only certain people, such as admin, can do everything. You have edit roles. You have view only roles. Unfortunately, we did not get that built completely out in time. So you can make a change. If you don't want to make a change, you can go back to the view all transactions. You can hit the employees. Same thing here. This Kevin Sweeney, scheme director. If we look at the bottom, 129403, if I hit delete record, you get delete employee with employee ID 129403 was successful. If I go back to view employees, we go down to the bottom, that one is missing. So we built that functionality out. So also you can hit, once I hit log out, you can see that I can go to the home page, but every time I try to go to any of these sites, it's telling me I need to log in. So let's try logging in one more time and I'll show you that functionality. So with this here, now that I'm logged in, I can see the employees, I can see the scholarships, I can see the events. I can also see user management. So with that, that's the quick demo of our website. And I want to thank you guys for taking the time to listen to our presentation. I did zip up all the website files. It is live on the web today. Also, I will be uploading this presentation via YouTube and posting that link. Thank you and have a great day.